Today, I am going to show you how to share your ABDO digital content, especially the Read to Me ebooks. There is a document inside the ABDO admin account that you can use to do this easily. If you are not the ABDO account administrator, you can ask them to share this document with you. If you are the account administrator, it is very easy to access this document. First, you will need to log into your ABDO admin account. Again, use the admin login, not the student access login. Click on My Account. This takes you to the back office of your ABDO digital bookshelf. Scroll about halfway down the page and you will find a Generate Links button. Click on this link. This will download a file with the links to all of your ebooks in your account. Click the ABDO digital links file. Then click Open. This file shows all the ABDO digital titles that you have in your collection and the token ID. The token ID is the link for access to the ebook without using a username and password. Copy the link that you would like to use. You may also choose to share this with your teachers or other patrons. In Schoology, create a folder for your lesson by clicking Add Materials and then Add Folder. Name your folder the title of your lesson. My lesson will be titled Animals Research. I will unpublish my folder until I'm ready to share this with my students. Then click Create. Next, you will click on the folder that you just created. I will be adding an assignment. Click Add Materials, add an assignment. Type the name of your assignment. Then in the description box, I will tell my students what I would like for them to do. First, I would like for them to choose an animal. Below, I am going to provide a hyperlink to each of the animal books that I would like for them to choose from. To do this, I will click on the link button. Remember, I copied that link to my ebook. I will right-click and paste that link into the link URL box. Then under Title, I will type the name of the book, Lionfish, then click Insert. It turned blue to indicate that it is a hyperlink. Then I will need to choose a category because this is a required field. At the bottom, click Create. Students may now click on this assignment and then directly click the hyperlink for Lionfish. Then the book opens directly from Schoology. They do not have to type in a username or a password. Then they can actually read the book or choose a different animal. Another way that you can do this is by adding a direct link. Click on the folder, click Add Materials, click Add File Link External Tool. In the middle, choose Link. Right-click to paste that ebook link directly into the link URL. Then type the title, which is Lionfish. You can choose whether to display in Schoology or to display in a new window. Then click Add. This is how simple it is to share ABDO Read to Me ebooks directly into Schoology or other lessons. Thank you for watching.